Are you struggling with earwax buildup and looking for the best earwax removal services in Oxford? Look no further. At Microsuction Earwax Removal Oxford OX2, we offer top-notch ear cleaning solutions. Our clinic, conveniently located at 45 Raleigh Park Rd, Oxford OX29AR, United Kingdom, specializes in safe and effective microsuction techniques. Microsuction is considered the gold standard in earwax removal. This method is not only efficient but also gentle, ensuring a comfortable experience for our clients. Whether you're experiencing discomfort or simply want to maintain ear hygiene, book your microsuction appointment with us today. We pride ourselves on being the best earwax clinic in Oxford. Our skilled professionals are trained to handle all your ear cleaning needs, providing a thorough and painless procedure. Don't wait until earwax buildup becomes a problem. Take proactive steps by booking your appointment now. At our Oxford clinic, we offer a range of services tailored to meet your needs. From routine ear cleaning to specialized microsuction procedures, we have everything you need to keep your ears in top condition. Our state-of-the-art equipment and experienced staff ensure that you receive the best care possible. Booking an appointment with us is easy. Simply visit our website at https://www.hearingfirst.co.uk/locations/oxford-microsuction-ear-wax removal-oxford-ox2/ or call us at +44 800 1337987. We're here to answer any questions you may have and guide you through the booking process. Don't let earwax buildup affect your quality of life. Our clinic in Oxford is dedicated to providing the best earwax removal services in the area. Trust us to help you maintain optimal ear health with our reliable and professional services. So, whether you're looking for routine ear cleaning or need to address a specific issue, our experts are here to help. Book your earwax removal appointment today and experience the difference that professional care can make. We look forward to serving you at Microsuction Earwax Removal Oxford OX2.